Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to understand how to purchase material without creating material master. There are many scenarios where we don't want to when we don't want to maintain the inventory, we don't want to maintain the quantity, but still we want to purchase from the site. Then we can follow this process. So first process is create the material group. So T code is OMSF. Let us go to OMSF. So I am going to write like some material group I am going to create. Let's say non-stock material. Non-stock material. This is my material group, and here I am writing non-stock material or consumable material. Enter and save it. So this is the material group I am creating. I am writing here. Then second step, you have to create one valuation class. T code is OMSK. Slash in OMSK. Hit enter. Create one valuation class. New entries. Give here a non-stock. Then write here non-stock material. Save it. Account category reference not required. Give your valuation class. Now the material group and valuation class you have to link in the T code OMQW. Select here. So this is your non-stock material. Give your valuation class here. Your valuation class is ANST. ANST. Save it. Now, next, generally whenever you don't want to purchase the material with material master, we have to consume the material. So you have to purchase certain account assignment, either cost center, WBS, order. So you have to check for cost center. In this scenario, I'm going to purchase for the cost center. So I have to check what is the general modifier mapped, because based on the general modifier, I have to map the GL. It is optional, it is not mandatory, but as a consultant, you have to know. OM0E. Take here account assignment K. K means cost center. So consumption posting, and this is the BBR. Your account modifier or general modifier is BBR. So in case based on the account modifier you want to map the GL, you can use this one. Now go to OBYC setting. So whenever you post the MyGo entry, it will post material consumption account debit to GRIR account credit. Now material consumption you can map in the OBYC from the GBB, business transaction GBB. Either you can map from GBB or you can manually enter also material consumption GL. It's up to you. So in this I am using this valuation modifier. This is the general modifier. I have just checked. This is the general modifier, and this is, I'm planning to use this. No, this is not correct. Let me delete this one. Valuation, my general modifier VVR, and my valuation class is AMST. Now I can map here. This is my consumption GL. Here I have to map the consumption GL. If I map, it will automatically pick from here. If I don't map, I have to enter manually the consumption GL in the PO creation time. So it's up to business. I'm mapping here. If I want to change in the PO, I can change also. This is my consumption GL. Save it. Similarly, I have to map my GRIR GL also. Go to WRX. So this is my GRIR GL. In case if I want to map based on my general modifier and valuation class and everything, I can map here. For everything, I am mapping only single GRIR. Now let us create one PO. ME21N. Give here. Hit it. To currency. For this, very important is material group. You have to enter the material group. Based on material group, all your account determination will happen. Hit enter. The moment you enter this one, and if you are not entering the material master, then you have to enter the account assignment category. So either you enter the material master. In case if you are entering the material master, it means that it is assumed that it is a evaluated stock. It is stock material, and you will be recording the quantity. You are not going to directly consume. In the MyGo, your inventory account debit to GRIR. But when you are not entering the material, then you must use the account assignment category. So here I am going to use K. K means cost center. So I am going to book in my cost center. When I use here account assignment category, I have to give here some text. So I am going to purchase something like office supplies or papers. This is what I am going to purchase. Quantity I can give 1. Price I can give 1000. Enter. Now it is asking to enter unit each. Now it is, see here, material consumption GL derived here automatically. If you have not mapped in the OBYC GBB, no problem. You can enter here manually also. You can enter. You can enter manually. You can enter manually here. But if you don't enter here manually, it will still pick from the OBYC. If you want to change, you can change it. Give the cost center. Let's say I'm going to purchase for this cost center. So when you give here K, entering here cost center become mandatory. Okay, and this GL, even if you have not mapped in OBYC, if you enter here manually the GL, it will still work. So, but mapping the GRIR is a mandatory. So save it. So this is the PO number. Once PO is created, go to MyGo. Give here goods receipt, hit enter. Give the PO number, hit enter. So here click here, Sorry, come back. Scroll down here. You have to click here item OK. Take all this thing. Here account assignment is important. So all this thing should be picked. Check it. So here this GL is not deriving from the OBYC. This is picking from the PO. That is very important. Even if I removed from OBYC the setting, it will still work, because whatever it is there in the PO, it inherits from the PO. It derives from the PO. So this is the consumption there. So this GL will become debit and your GRIR will become credit. GRIR will pick from the OBYC setting. Post it. So it got posted. Click here. Double click here. So here material consumption account debit to your GRIR. See material consumption, it is speaking KBS. It is speaking KBS. But you have mapped again GBS. Because this GL will be picking from the PO. Whatever you have given in the PO, that will have the priority. So material consumption account debit. Here you are directly booking to the cost center. You are directly booking to the cost center. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks a lot. So this is how you have to purchase when you don't want to create the material master. Thanks a lot.